2.4, percents involving decrease and increase. This is the last segment before the first test. So the easiest way to do that is to find the difference between the two values and divide it by the starting value. For example, if gas went from $2 a gallon to $2.50 a gallon, what is the percent of increase? So first you want to find the difference. So $2.50 minus $2 is 50-cent difference. And the starting value, we started at 2 and went up to 2.50. So now you have the difference and the starting value. So now you set it up just like a percent. The difference dividing by the starting value equals the percent, which we want to find over 100. So we cross multiply. 2x equals 50. X then would be 25%. So the cost of a gallon of gas went up 25% from $2 to $2.50. Let's take one that goes the other way. So Joe got a discount on his car insurance for having good grades, and insurance dropped, went down from $1,010 to $930. What was the percent of reduction in price? So we take the difference between the two values, and that was 80. And the starting value was 1,010. This is the key right here. Don't put 930 because that was the ending value. So the difference, 80, dividing by the start value, 1,010, equals the percentage over 100, and you do the cross multiply. So you get 1,010x equals 8,000, and then you divide by the number of x's, which is 1,010 each side, and x will equal 8%. This is to the nearest percent. So technically it would be a negative 8% because it went down. So that is the last of the videos for the first test.